How to make a Facebook post visible to one person only. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook post visible to just one person. It's surprisingly easy, so let's dive right in. First thing first, you need to open up your Facebook. Once you're in the Facebook, you need to go ahead and post something on your Facebook. In order to do that, you need to simply tap on what's on your mind. Then here you can write your post. I'll simply write hello, and once you have done that, you can see the option over here that says friends. You need to simply go ahead and choose specific friends over here. You need to go ahead and select the persons that you only want to show your post to. And once you have done that, you need to simply click on done. Now, once you have done that, this post will be visible to only the person that you have selected. Then you need to simply click on done. Then you need to click on post. And that's it. You have successfully made a Facebook post visible to just one person. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.